औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम ग्रेड 9 के न्यूमेरिकल्स प्रॉब्लम्स को स्टार्ट करेंगे। चैप्टर फर्स्ट, फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज ऑफ मेजरमेंट्स। So our first question is, write the following numbers in scientific notation. Part A is 1, 2, 3, 4 meters. So dear students, we will move the point from this point to this point, right? So first question is 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be written 1.234 multiplied by 10 to the power 3, because 3 times the point is moves 2. The second part is 0.000023 seconds. So we are moving from left to right. So the point is moving from this point to this point. And it will be 2.3 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 5 seconds. The third part is, it is also in scientific notation, but we will write in standard form 469.3 multiplied by 10 power 5. So 2 times the point will move, and it will be 4.9693 multiplied by 10 to the power 7 meters. Come towards the D part. It is a 0.00985 multiplied by 10 to the power 7 seconds. And if you move the point, so it will be like this, that the point will move. It should be written like this: 9.85 multiplied by 10 to the power, yes, 1, 2, 3, minus 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 7. It will be equals to 9.85 multiplied by 10 to the power 4 seconds. So we will got this answer. Come towards the second question. Express the following measurements using prefixes. So with the help of the prefixes, we will solve this question. So the first part is 47.5 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 10 meters. It should be written like this. The point will move, and it will be like, it will comes after 2. So it should be 2.75 multiplied by 10 to the power 1 minus 10, and we will got 10 power minus 9, and 10 power minus 9 is equals to nano. The second part is 0.00023 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2. So we will move the point, and it will be 2.3 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4. And minus 4 and minus 2 will add up, and it should be 10 to the power minus 6. So we will get 2.3 microsecond answer is. Come towards the third question. If a body has an age of 15 years, 2 months, and 10 days, convert his age in seconds, milliseconds, and megaseconds. It's a very, very important question. So first of all, we were going to convert 15 years into seconds, and 2 months into seconds, and 10 days into seconds first. So this is the calculation. 15 years is converted first into months. It will be multiplied with 12, and then into days with 30, and then we will multiply with 24 hours, and then 60 minutes, and the 60 minute will also multiply with 60 seconds. So we will got this value. We will come towards the second part of this question, 2 months. So according to follow the previous practice, we are getting this amount by multiplying with days, hours, minutes, and seconds, and 10 days will be converted. So we will got at 64,000 seconds. Now the second step is, we will convert, we will add sum of all of them to get the required data into seconds. So time in seconds, we will add up all of them. All these values should be adding, and we will got 472608000 seconds. Now they were asking in second question that what is in milliseconds. So in 1 second there are 1000 milliseconds. So we will multiply with 10 to the power 3, and that will, we got 3 more zeros are there. So we will add 3 more zeros, and that will be in milliseconds. And the C part, they were asking about to find out in megaseconds. So in megaseconds, there are 1 over 10 to the power 6 seconds, 6 megaseconds in 1 second. So you have to divide with 10 power minus 6, and you will got 472.608000 megaseconds. Come towards the fourth questions. How many kilometers are there in 25 micrometers? Okay, they were asking about how many kilometers are there in 25 micrometers. So students, we all know that a kilometer is a bigger unit and micrometer is a smaller unit, and we are moving from smaller to bigger units. So we will move towards the division. As we know that 25 micrometers is written in scientific notation like this: 25 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6 meters. We will convert this into meters, like we will multiply with 10 to the power minus 3 and 10 to the power plus 3. So both of them will cancel with each other. And in next step, we will got 10 to the power minus 9 kilometers. What is the pitch and least count of a vernier caliper if smaller division of the main scale is 1 millimeter and total division on vernier scales are 20? So least count of the vernier caliper is equals to smallest division on the main scale divisible by total division on the vernier scale. So smallest division on a main scale is 1 millimeter. It is mentioned over here. And number of division on the vernier scale is 20. So we will divide 1 millimeter divisible by 20. So we will get 0.05 millimeter. And this is what's so called the least count. Okay. This amount is what's so called the least count of the vernier caliper. In B part, they were asking about screw gauge if the smallest division on main scale is 0.5 millimeter and its movable scale has 50 divisions. So we'll use another formula for finding the least count, that is pitch of the screw gauge and number of division on the circular scale, or number of division on the movable scale. So it is also given 0.5 millimeter, that is pitch of the screw gauge, 0.5 millimeter, and number of division on the circular scale is 50. So we will divide 0.5 millimeter by 50. We will get 0.01 millimeter. Come toward the sixth questions. Look at the measurements of the vernier caliper as shown. This is a vernier caliper. You can see here in this figure, right? What is the main scale reading? What is its coinciding division on vernier scales, and calculate the total reading of the vernier caliper, suppose. So the first question is part A. What is the main scale division? So you will count from here, this point. This is what's called the main scale division. Okay. And if you calculate this, you will get that the main scale reading is 2.3 centimeters. Now, in second part, they were asking about what is the coinciding division on the vernier scale. So if you can see, the coinciding division on the vernier scale is 3. Okay. The coinciding division on the vernier scale is what's so called 3. And the calculation, if you wanna find the calculation, then you will add the main scale division with the vernier scale multiplied by the least count. So total reading of the vernier scale will be equals to main scale reading plus vernier scale reading multiplied by least count. We will add 2.3 plus 3 multiplied by 0.01, and we will get 2.33 centimeter. That will be the final reading. Come towards the last question of this exercise. Look at the figure of the screw gauge. Let's suppose a small steel ball is placed between its spindle and anvil then. So they were asking about what is the main scale reading, what is the coinciding division of the circular scales, and calculate the total diameter of the ball. So the main scale reading will be, it is passing from 6.5, okay, this point. So the main scale reading will be 6.5 millimeters, and the vernier scale division, or the circular scale division, that will be, it is passing from 45 and it is coinciding 46. So 46 will be the circular scale reading. And if you want to find the total diameter of the ball, then you will add 6.5 with 646 multiplied by the least count. So this is the formula: man scale reading plus circular scale reading multiplied by least count. We will add 6.5 plus 46 multiplied by 0.01 millimeters, and at the end we will got this value. This will be the diameter of the ball, 9.96 millimeters. Thank you so very much, guys, and this is all about your chapter 1 numericals. I hope so that you understand these things quite so well. Thanks a lot.